Does your AI assistant deliver the value you expected when you signed off the business case to build it? Or is it falling short despite constant tweaks and enhancements? Are you wasting time and resources making changes that don't deliver the impact your business sponsors expect? The way to fix this and to guarantee results is to truly understand the performance of your AI assistant. With an AI assistant, you're sitting on a gold mine of live conversational data from real customer interactions. The value locked inside that data is huge if you measure performance properly. But here's the challenge. Conversational data looks like data, but it behaves like language. Simple statistics and vanity metrics don't tell you why things are happening. To understand performance, you need methods that understand the conversation itself, the meaning behind it, the language used in the conversation, the amount of friction, and the outcome relative to the user need. Over the coming weeks, I'll walk through the value you can unlock by measuring performance properly across each of the areas shown in this diagram. Watch this space.